In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, a gift of volunteerism. The beneficiaries, female students in Portmore, St. Catherine, all pampered for Child's Month. More from TVJ's Kean Morgan.
A Ray of Hope.
Shampooed, conditioned, blow-dried and styled. Girls from the Kensington Primary School in Portmore, St. Catherine getting their hair done free of cost. It's an initiative organized by volunteers from the Tots and Teens Hairport Salon, all in aid of giving back for Child's Month.
We got a call from Tots and Teens asking us if today being Child's Day, if they, if we can get permission from our parents for them to come and do, wash and grooming and so on. Well, the parents were excited about it after we called them. So we got a couple parents, to do their permission slips for them to have this done.
Ramona Silveira, one of the hairstylists, says Kensington Primary is just one of the many schools in Portmore to benefit from the initiative.
We went to Brayton Primary. Oh my God, it was exceptional. We did 34 kids there thanks to the principal and the team and the staff of Brayton. Yesterday we went to Bridgeport Basic, exceptional again. And then after that, we went to Kiddies World. Oh my God, the babies are remarkable. So now we're at Kensington. This is our fourth stop. And we will be going until the 31st of this month.
At the time of filming, almost 100 students were attended to at various schools in Portmore. Ms. Silveira says the salon reached out to help because many children don't get the opportunity to be pampered or wear a proper hairstyle.
We have come to realize that there's a lot of kids out there who really just want to feel loved, feel appreciated, and Tots and Teens believe that we have that courage in order to put that forth.
The hairstylists say they have been getting positive feedback from parents.
A lot of parents sent and said that they appreciate the work.
It is epic. They all love it. They all want to be. I want to tell you, there's a school that wants us to come into the schools after this, where we can start up business with them, come into the school, comb the kids here and all of that. So far, it's a good feeling.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kean Morgan.
A Ray of Hope.